we're going to Giant Causeway.
We're gonna walk again.
So, Daddy.
We're gonna swim.
No, anong swim? I said rock formation dyan.
Okay.
I'm gonna say rock formation. It's like a stairs rock formation. Then,
House.
hello.
Papa will not be tired of
Hello.
Yes, hi. Welcome to Giant Causeway.
Causeway of Tao.
welcome.
Bye.
Yung additional parts. Oh, we're gonna toilet.
Napalpak pa ako sa video.
Kaya ganyan namin. Nasa nakuha mo ba?
Hindi ko
Sabi tayo dito ako. Sabi tayo nakuha mo may bloopers. Excited. Bitawa. We're gonna see and stones in here. Papa will go to
Say hi. You wanna walk, Daddy, there? You wanna walk, Daddy? Oh, sige. Say hi, Daddy.
We're walking, going to Giant
Yes.
Causeway.
Oh, picture. It's nice today. The weather's nice today.
No, because it's going down. Later, going up. Good luck, Mama.
No, we're going to ride the bus. Let's go for a walk. Bus is coming. Oh, bus is coming. Oops.
One. Thank you, Lord. Say thank you, Lord, for the weather.
Thank you, Lord. It's not raining.
Yes. Thank you, Lord.
It's sunny. Mama, after this, are we gonna
Are you
swim?
feeling warm? You remove it if you're feeling warm. No, not keep the hat. Just the, ano. No. Just the
Sige,
jacket.
ayan mo na,
Put
ayan
the
mo na.
jacket.
Just the jacket.
I want her.
Okay.
Put that one. Keep on. Yeah.
I don't
Put it
like
really warm.
If you're walking, it's warm.
Makes you warm if you're walking.
We're having a warm up.
No. Put this jacket.
When you do anything, Jesus died on the cross. When you don't do anything, Jesus will not die on the cross. And now Jesus will rose again. You know, in the good news, Jesus rose again. But the last sad Friday was over. Jesus is in the tomb.
It's a giant causeway there.
I think already I broke it.
Picture kay dire labo, dira sa bato. Say hi, Mirana.
Papa, did you climb in that mountain?
That's so high. Maybe no.
What mountain did you climb?
The morn.
Kapag ganyan ako mag-morns ka, hindi the like one that itakit mo yun sa likod.
Good.
Ay, sabi.
Ayo. Hello.
No, because
Look at that
no,
cave.
because that's different. These are
Oh, yes.
rocks.
May iba makapasok ka man. Even mag-walk ka.
So, Tari.
Oh, hi.
Whenever go to Papa wins, I win. I first.
Hello, Tari.
What happened? The volcano. The volcano keeps on erupting, moving. That's why the rocks.
Where are you, Kiyon?
Where are you?
Hello.
Natulog ka lang pagising mo. Sa ibang dimension ka na ng mundo.
Mirana. Iubos ni Mirana ang pagkain.
Wala na.
Hello, Tari.
Yung mga rubbish nyo ha. Magalitan tayo. Where are you now? Where are you now?
Yeah, baby.
Can you guys take a little tradition?
Oh. Ilan kurang.
Daddy,
Tari.
take a little boot and catch in there.
Selfie. What's up, Tari?
May picture tayong naman, oh. No, Kiyon is here pa. Wala pa. Kiyon na naman.
There's a rock that looks like hammer.